Hello students, today I will explain you about the structure of mitochondria. Mitochondria is derived from two words. Mitos means thread, chondrus means granules. You can see here, it is like granule and this inner membrane is thread-like. That's why it is called as mitochondria. It is known as powerhouse of the cell. It plays significant role in aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration which takes place in presence of oxygen. Mitochondria are absent in prokaryotic cells and red blood corpuscles, that is erythrocytes. Structure: shape may be oval or spherical or like spiral strip. It is a double membrane bound organelle made up of two membranes. Outer membrane is permeable to various metabolites due to the presence of protein, porine or Parsons particles. Inner membrane is selectively permeable to few substances only. Both membranes are separated by intermembrane space. Inner membrane shows several finger-like or plate-like folds called cristae, which bears numerous particles, oxysome and cytochrome electron carriers. Inner membrane encloses a cavity called inner chamber containing a fluid matrix. Matrix contains few coils of circular DNA, RNA, 70S types of ribosome, lipids, and various enzymes of Krebs cycle and other pathway. So let's study the structure of oxysome. Inner membrane of mitochondria bears numerous particles called oxysomes. F1, F0. Fernandez-Moron elementary particle or mitochondrial particles. Each particle consists of head, stalk, that is pedicel, and base. Head F1. Lollipop head faces towards matrix, and foot F0 is embedded in inner membrane. Head acts as an enzyme ATP synthase and foot base as proton channel. Oxysomes are involved in proton pumping and ATP synthesis. So let's study the enlarged part of the mitochondria. This is outer membrane. This is inner membrane. And the space here is called as Peri mitochondrial space, that is outer chamber. On inner membrane, you will see your F1 particles, which are on the mitochondrial cristae. This gap is called as intracrystal space. And here you will see respiratory chain and enzymes. This is the protein layer and this is the lipid layer.